Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly effective challenge, the plank every day for 1 minute challenge. It's quick and effective way to strengthen your core, improve posture, and build endurance. So let's get started. First thing first, let's talk about proper plank form. Get into a push-up position with your arms straight, wrist under your shoulders, and your body forming a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, and don't forget to breathe. Now it's time to start the challenge. Set your timing for 1 minute and get into a plank position. Remember to keep your form tight and maintain that straight line. While you hold your plank, let's talk about the amazing benefits. Planking helps to strengthen your core muscle, improve posture, enhance overall stability, boost metabolism, reduce the risk of back pain. If you're finding a 1 minute plank too challenging initially, no worries. Start with a shorter time and gradually work your way up. You can also modify your plank by going down on your knees or using an inclined surface for support. To keep yourself motivated, create a calendar and mark each day you completed the challenge. You will be amazed at how quickly your strength and endurance improve. Consistency is key. The beauty of this challenge is its simplicity. You can do it anytime, anywhere, even in your pajamas. Just make it a part of your daily routine. So there you have it, the plank every day for 1 minute challenge. It's a small commitment that can lead to significant result. I encourage you to give it a try and see how it transforms your fitness journey. Thanks for tuning in today. If you decided to take on this challenge, share your progress in comments below. And as always, stay motivated, stay strong, and I'll catch you in the next video.